Ever wondered how much it costs to keep your loved ones connected across the globe? If you've ever considered Vonage as a solution, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vonage pricing. Let's find out if it's worth the investment. Why Vonage? Before we get into the numbers, let's understand why Vonage is a popular choice. Vonage offers a range of communication services, including unlimited calling, texting, and video calling. It's a great option for those who frequently call international numbers or need a reliable VoIP service. Factors affecting price. Vonage's pricing isn't a one-size-fits-all. Several factors can influence your monthly bill, including plan type. There are different Vonage plans available, each with its own features and pricing. Add-ons. You may need to add extra features like voicemail, call forwarding, or even a physical landline number. International calling. The cost of calling international numbers can vary depending on the destination. Bundling. Vonage often offers discounts for bundling services with other providers. Breaking down the plans. Basic plan. Let's start with the most basic Vonage plan. This usually includes unlimited calling and texting within the US and Canada. It's a great option for those who mainly communicate domestically. Advanced plans. For those who need more features or international calling, Vonage offers advanced plans. These plans often include unlimited international calling to select countries, as well as additional features like call recording and caller ID. Custom plans. If you have specific needs, Vonage may be able to create a custom plan for you. This allows you to choose only the features you need and avoid paying for unnecessary services. International calling costs. Country-specific rates. Vonage typically charges a flat rate for calling international numbers. However, the rate can vary depending on the country you're calling. Unlimited plans. Some Vonage plans offer unlimited international calling to select countries. This can be a great option for those who frequently call specific destinations. Add-ons and fees. Common add-ons. Vonage offers a variety of add-ons, including voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. These add-ons can increase your monthly bill. Hidden fees. Be aware of any hidden fees or charges that may apply to your Vonage account. These can include taxes, fees for physical landline numbers, or charges for certain features. Comparing Vonage to competitors. Similar services. There are several other VoIP providers on the market that offer similar services to Vonage. It's important to compare prices and features to find the best deal for your needs. Cost-benefit analysis. Consider the benefits of using Vonage compared to traditional phone services. Does the cost savings outweigh the potential drawbacks? Tips for saving money. Bundling. Look for opportunities to bundle Vonage with other services, such as internet or cable TV. This can often result in significant discounts. Promotional offers. Vonage frequently offers promotional deals and discounts. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save money. Negotiation. Don't be afraid to negotiate with Vonage. If you're not satisfied with your current plan, they may be willing to offer you a better deal. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the basic Vonage plans to international calling costs and add-ons. By understanding the factors that affect pricing and comparing Vonage to competitors, you can make an informed decision about whether Vonage is the right choice for you. If you're interested in learning more about Vonage or signing up for a plan, I encourage you to visit their website or contact their customer service team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.